I am your EON Artificial Intelligence Avatar Sales Assistant, and I'm here to answer any questions that you may have regarding EON Reality. I am especially trained on the company and the product.
Tell me about EON Interact.
EON Interact is a new product that allows users to interact with objects in a number of different ways. It allows users to change the object to unlock the next step after previous one has been completed, or even change other aspects.
What is the EON Marketplace?
EON Marketplace is a place where users can buy and sell experiences.
Which are the new products and features?
The new EON products and features are EON Marketplace, EON Universal, EON Knowledge Logs, EON Illuminate, EON Interact, EON Metaverse Builder Automations, EON XR Modernization, and EON AI.
Where was the new EON product release?
The new EON products were released at Pera Palace Hotel in Istanbul, Turkey at the EON Experience Fest in October 2022.
What is EON's fundamental belief?
EON's fundamental belief is that knowledge is a human right, and making experiential knowledge transfer available, accessible, and affordable for everyone on the planet goes a long way to achieve this.
Can you quote EON's CEO on artificial intelligence?
Danny Iskara said that the world is moving towards artificial intelligence, and EON is uniquely positioned to provide value based on our experience with contextual XR information, guidance assistance, and performance enhancing technology.